Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to email the Remitly team for support. So let's get started right away. Now if you look within the Remitly application by logging in and then from the home page, tapping on the Manage option at the bottom right corner, you will see the Help Center option, within which if you check all the way at the bottom, you will find the chat option, but there is no option to send a direct email. So in order to send a direct email, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device, and then tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Remitly and start your search. Once you find the Remitly application, tap on it and you will see the app support option. Tap on the drop down menu and you will see the email address that you can use to contact the Remitly team. Go ahead and tap on this email address and you can now directly use your email app in order to send an email to the support team for Remitly. Within the subject section, type in your subject of concern and then explain your case in detail within the main body of your email. You can then click on the send button at the top right corner and your email will be sent to the Remitly support team. You can then wait for a few days until your email gets a response and your query will be resolved as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to email the Remitly support team. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.